Stop. If you're currently making a list of things you're going to achieve in 2026, I need you to throw it away. Seriously, I'm done with the new year, new me lie. In 2026, the game has changed. While everyone else is trying to out-hustle AI, I'm doing the opposite. I'm resolving to do less. Because in a world where everything is automated, your only real competitive advantage is your focus. If you want to join the new 1%, you don't need a bigger to-do list, you need a bigger to-stop list. Here is exactly why I'm quitting the hustle. First, let's be honest, we're all dopamine bankrupt. We've spent 2025 scrolling through infinite feeds and our brains are fried. My first 2026 pivot? Digital hygiene. I'm not just doing a detox, I'm treating my attention like a bank account. Every app, every notification, every guru I follow is a withdrawal. If it's not paying me back in clarity or cash, I'm unsubscribing. In 2026, if you aren't paying for the product, you are the product. I'm opting out. Now let's talk about the 40-hour lie. I've realized that working harder for one company is the riskiest move you can make in 2026. I'm moving toward fractional work. I'm selling my brain to 3 different projects for 15 hours a week instead of 50. Why? Because sovereign time is the new status symbol. I'd rather have a micro career that I control than a macro career that controls me. This isn't about laziness, it's about leverage. Here's a secret the tech giants don't want you to know. Your best ideas don't happen behind a screen. In 2026, I'm obsessed with analog wellness. I'm going back to paper journals, long walks without podcasts, and physical books. Why? Because while everyone else is using AI to generate average ideas, I'm using silence to generate original ones. Being offline is officially a high-performance power move. I'm also officially killing the glow-up. I'm tired of the pressure to look like a filtered version of myself. In 2026, I'm resolving to level out. I want stability, not spikes. I'm choosing micro habits over mega goals. If I can't do it in 15 minutes, I'm not doing it. I want to know, are you still chasing the glow up or are you ready to just be a human again? Drop a stable in the comments if you're joining the level out movement. The bottom line is this: 2026 isn't a race, it's an audit. It's about looking at every system in your life, your home, your job, your phone, and asking, who is this actually for? I've decided my life is for me. If you're ready to stop being an input for someone else's algorithm, hit that subscribe button. We're spending 2026 building a life that actually feels good, not just one that looks good in a feed. Welcome to the Great Reset. But look, reclaiming your time is half the battle. If you want to know where the smart money is moving while the rest of the world is distracted, you need to see my deep dive on the career extinction happening right now. Click the video on your screen to see the 5 roles that are actually safe from the AI wipeout. I'll see you over there.